was saying black there. And then put that down now, sort of more rubbish at the front. And we just took that off to sort of rustle up sand.
So ridiculous. But over half an hour.
Gone.
Oh, the guy's in that job.
Stop it.
Oh, yeah, you just...
No, hang it up.
Long enough, they would just let you been eaten and disintegrate the
So is there no openings now again?
I think there's one, unless the other one's gone.
Nothing.
Nothing's good.
I have to stop people.